Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Esign on iOS to sideload apps. So with that being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So the first step is to download Esign. Visit the official Esign website and download the Esign application. Make sure to test the source to avoid security issues. The following step is to install the Esign app. Open the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the Esign app on your iOS device. You may need to adjust your device settings to allow installations from unknown sources. The following step, the third step, is to create an Esign account. Launch the app and create an account. If prompted, this account will help you manage your sideloaded apps and provide a secure way to sign them. The second last step is to upload the app file. Within the Esign app, upload the IPA file of the app you want to sideload. Ensure that the app is compatible with your iOS version and device. The last step is to sign and install the application. After uploading, use the Esign app to sign the IPA file. Once signed, you can install the app directly to your device. Make sure to test the app in your device settings to run it. So yeah guys, this is about it for today's video. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon.